I just load up on my beverage. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long time and I probably say that like every so often, but seriously, I don't know what it's been. I kind of fell off track for a slight bit. I'm sorry. Look who decided to join us. Did you want to come up here and give your grand entrance? Come here, baby. And he ran away. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. If you guys love a demo and reviews, get ready videos with me, fun, just, I don't know what kind of videos, and just chit chatter, and videos like these, which are my monthly favorites that I post at the end of every month, then consider subscribing. So I just wanted to say that I've actually been super delayed on posting videos. I think since Hawaii, I've just been kind of like a little bit on a chill mode. I mean, I've been busy, it's wedding season. I've actually been working a lot. I did pre-filmed a lot of videos. I just have not had the office time to sit and edit, because for those who actually film videos, do vloggings, editing takes a lot. Sometimes I can sit in the office for like literally half the day and just edit, because you just get in the zone and you're just like, dirt. And the next thing you know, you're like, it's dinner time. So I apologize for the delay. I'm actually working on the vlog. I have other makeup videos that I really wanted to post, but it's just not complete. But I was like, you know what? It's about to be the end of the month, so this video needs to be posted. I do have a lot of things to talk about, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. The first item I want to talk about is skincare. Now, I'm not sure if some of you guys may or may not know, they actually repackaged, they reformulated, and it's such a big improvement. I'm not saying that it was horrible before. It was still good skincare, very affordable, which it still is. It's actually more catered to the clean line. So if you actually go to the Sephora's website and look under the skincare, next to the products, it'll have a little icon that has a little green leaf with a check mark, letting people know that it's a clean line with Sephora. So the first product that I tried with their line is the Hydrating and Glow Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid. I've talked about hyaluronic acid for years now. I mean, not just in skincare, but it's in everything. And now it's been a big trend that people really like. So I would actually say it's a trend, because I think a lot of people are more aware of it now that hyaluronic is in almost everything. Hyaluronic acid is basically water. So it's going to give you extra hydration into the skin that you may or may not need, but it just balances everything and it's amazing. Now this formulation is really nice because it's good for super dried skin, but at the same time it gives you that glowy feel and finish. Now it's not going to make you look glittery, but it's going to give you that beautiful glow under lights. It has a nice refreshing finish and it doesn't have a harsh scent. In addition to the clean ingredients in the formulation, even the plastic tube is made out of recycled products, so they actually worked really hard on this and I'm actually really impressed. This is a great moisturizer to use day and night and under makeup or not. Sunscreen is actually not a new thing that I talked about in my videos. The only reason why I'm talking about this again is because lately I just been into a lot of skincare. Like today, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. I'm basically wearing moisturizer, of course, the sunscreen. If I feel like it, I'll add a little bit of a toner just to give me that glow. Basically just wearing concealer on the center of my face and a lighter one just for that highlighted glow, a little bronzer, and that is it. I feel like this has been my daily routine ever since Hawaii. I mentioned this in some of the videos that I haven't posted yet, but basically I packed a whole bunch of makeup. The whole time I did not wear any makeup, but just my moisturizer, of course sunscreen, and a lip balm that has SPF as well. So ever since I got back, I haven't been wearing any makeup. I'll just load up on my mascara and a lot of sunscreen and very light makeup, if that. So let's talk about my hair. My hair has been changing colors. As you guys may have remembered, my hair was really warm and brown, like a chocolatey chestnut brown. And the bottoms were really blonde and like golden. When I came back from my trip, I darkened my hair a lot. It was a lot more gray, blue, silvery. And now it's becoming more of like a soft gray silver, which is totally what I wanted. Now to treat my hair, I've always used this serum. This is by Chi, which is a silk infusion complex product that actually helps with the hair. Basically, this is a serum. It's super concentrated, just like our face. Before we put on moisturizer, we put on some serum if you choose to. So the serum is more concentrated and it helps with the skin. It could be a number of things. It could help with dark circles, fine lines, hyperpigmentations, all of these above. So with the hair serum, it's gonna protect the most porous and damaged parts, which are my ends. So I'll apply a little bit on just with my fingertips because I don't want to apply on too much. So when I dry my hair, it's gonna act like a heat protectant, but also give me that beautiful shine. So I wanted to see what I could use that's new and a little bit different and stronger. I've been using the Chi product for about 15 years. I was actually gifted this Alterna product, which is also a bonding serum product. This product here does the same 3 main factors. So it's going to bond, it's gonna repair, and also protect the hair. Now this formulation, I feel like it's a little bit more watery, so it's not so thick. I kind of do like the thicker type of feel because I feel like it saturates, but at the same time, you can't go so hard in with your hair. You just need to really use your fingertips and lightly just feather your hair. You don't need much on the top because literally the top to the mid shaft of your hair is outgrowth and most healthiest. It's usually where it's more processed all the way down to the ends. Going back to this natural makeup look that I've been rocking for this month. So I'm gonna talk about my lashes. I haven't worn falsies in like a month, except this one time that I wore falsies for this Pat McGrath video that I will be posting shortly. I've used Grande lashes for about a month and a half or so, but I stopped using it before my trip. Why? I saw results. 2, I had hair growing in places that I didn't need to be seeing, that I haven't seen until I got close to my magnified mirror and I was like, and 3, it's expensive, but I've actually seen results and I'm gonna get a little close up to show you. Naturally, my hairs are longer on my left side of the face, whereas it's more sparse, but the right side of my eyes, it's more full and shorter. It's so weird. I believe you can see the results the best when I wear mascara because you can really see it extends. Now I've been using this primer with this mascara lately and it's amazing. This mascara primer, I have to admit, in the beginning when I used it, I disliked it. But I've been using it more and more now that my lashes are a little bit longer. I feel like it actually does justice. Now this mascara wand actually has a fiber bristle. It contains cotton and nectar fiber. You can actually see that it thickens each individual strand and it makes it longer. Before I put on the mascara, I wait about 20 seconds just to let it tack out, just like you would normally do with lash glue. I put on a thin coat of the mascara. I'll remove excess product first if needed. Then I'll go ahead and apply it on like so. I'll wait another 10 seconds, let that build. Second application, I'll just hold the mascara wand into place and I'll just lightly blink, letting my eyes lightly brush on whatever's left on the actual wand so that I don't build up too much and it gets so clumpy and messy looking. So I noticed that when I use wands that are more fiber material versus like the silicone jelly material, it actually works in my favor because my lashes are thin to begin with. When I use a silicone one or something that's more like jelly, I feel like it's so wet. Like it just adds and builds up so much product that I don't need. Whereas the fiber applies it on, but as I'm building it, it kind of removes at the same time so it doesn't build up too much. So it's kind of like wet and then it dries it because it removes a little bit of it. So it actually works in my favor. I've been loving these 2 products together. Too bad my eyelashes are just so stick straight that they don't curl. I wish they curl a little bit higher so they're a little bit more perky, but I've been loving these 2 combos. I have been loving this palette. I've loved Pat McGrath for a long time, ever since I've known about her. She has great products, creamy, they're pigmented, they swatch so beautifully. I would say that Pat McGrath and Natasha Denota's formulations are just literally neck to neck, neck to neck, neck and neck. The formulations, the swatches, the textures, I mean, is that the same? I mean, package, they're just like up there. I love it. It's actually my first purchase because it's so expensive. So is Natasha Denota. But again, you pay for what you get, the quality is amazing. I only purchased this because honestly, it was on sale for like $27.50 or something like that at Sephora. They had a Memorial Weekend special and this is when I bought it. So I did use this one time to film a look and it was beautiful. I don't know what to say about this color here. Look, it even jumped over there. So basically I was doing swatches during my video and this happened to be the last color. And all my fingers were all swatched up. So I was like, let me use my thumb. I don't know if I pushed it too hard or if the formulation's just so creamy. I don't even want to open this, guys, because it's all over the place and it just got everywhere. I'm going to put in a few clips of me swatching them. They're so beautiful. They're highly pigmented. Isn't this a beautiful palette? It comes with a large mirror. You can stand it up, so if you don't bring a mirror with you, you have a little vanity on the go. So I'm gonna jump back into skincare really quick. So normally when I have a full face of makeup, if I'm wearing lashes, pigmented eyeshadows, a full look, I gravitate to this. And I've talked about this before, but this has to be my favorite cleansing balm out of all the balms. So when I cleanse my face, I'm like a crazy person. I cleanse my face 3 to 4 times before I feel satisfied. First step, makeup wipe, cleansing oil, cleansing balm, face wash, and then I'll go in with my micellar water with a cotton round to get that extra residue just to make sure I got all the makeup off. Then I'll go in with this. This has been my ultimate favorite toner at the moment. So I usually use the SK2 Essence toner, which actually helps brighten the skin. It gives you that nice soft finish and feel. It helps with fine lines. But once I came across this beauty, I was like, I think I'm gonna replenish on this guy here. This is by Ren Skincare, another clean skincare line. So not only is it going to tone the skin, it's going to give you a glow, it's also going to give you a daily exfoliant to balance out your skin tone. When I wear heavy makeup, lash glue, waterproof formulation, and I just need to melt everything off with the oily base, instead of this, I've actually been using this. This is the Kenzoki Creamy Cleansing Balm. If I'm just wearing a light application of makeup like today, it smells so good. I just use this. This doesn't have a lot of oils in this, but it does break down the makeup. It does have the milky, creamy consistency. With this product here, I feel like I don't necessarily need to do a double face cleanse after the melting balms. That actually leaves my skin non-oily. What I'll do is I'll alternate these two if I'm wearing something heavier versus a lighter application. I've been loving this consistency. You guys need to try this. It leaves a milky, creamy, hydrated feel, and it smells like candy. So another natural product. This is called Naturally Serious, guys. Well, not the guys, but it's Naturally Serious. This is their Skin Warrior, which is actually a cream. I love the smell of it. I wish you guys can smell it. Now, this is gonna help with anti-pollution, antioxidants. It's gonna repair the skin. Since this is a cream, it's better to use at nighttime, especially for drier skin. It's also gonna help with firming, but overall, it's gonna give you that nice hydrated feel, especially throughout the night till the next morning. Guys, my mom got me hooked on these guys here. Yep, they're the dried white peaches by Trader Joe's. These are not so sweet, but it's not so bland. It's just like perfectly just enough. I don't think they added extra sugar on here. Oh, there is 16 grams. Love this for a snack, especially if the white peaches are not in season. It's just something to snack on. Like I said, this is not too sweet, but it just satisfies my taste buds. Now, the last thing I have to show you is this beverage is not an old people drink. I know people are like, why are you drinking cranberry? Now, this drink is very heavy. You guys are probably thinking, 1, why are you drinking cranberry? It's an old people drink. 2, are you drinking it as a chaser? Yes, no, and yes. I mean, no. I've been drinking this for a few reasons. 1, it's refreshing. 2, yes, a lot of antioxidant properties. It helps detox and flush your system. 4, it tastes so good. Cranberry is drying. Like when you drink it, it has like that bitter, dry aftertaste, but it has a combination of apple, not too much sugar. It's just refreshing. And this is so heavy, I'm just resting this on my shoulder. Can we move on? So yes, this is such a refreshing drink and I've been loving it. And that is it for my monthly favorites, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't be shy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I can't believe May is over, but I'm so excited for summer weather. June is coming. Stick around. I have more videos for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!